CR10X, workflow based on autocropping. The one-size cassette fits for all your examinations. It is important to collimate the X-ray beam. Additional views on the unexposed part are easy to make. After insertion of the cassette into the CR10X digitizer, the patient study needs to be created. In real-time mode, the preview image is building up. The white borders are the non-exposed areas as a result of the collimation. Once the preview image is complete, it is processed with our intelligent Musica 2 image processing software. Now the image is cropped automatically. It is up to the user to add markers and further fine-tune the images. The image is sent to our DryStar 5302 imager and printed on the appropriate DryStar film.